This afternoon we're riding to nature and me. We laugh and play, it keeps us gay. Nature and me. A big eye like me belongs where little birdies sing their song. Skies are blue the whole day through for nature and me.
Were against me. Giants were coming at me from all directions. But was I afraid? Not old King Cole. With one mighty stroke of my trusty sword, I slew them all. The door! Answer the door! Methinks my royal subjects are not as brave as their brave king. I'll answer the door. Who's there?
Help! Help! Come in! Help!
Well, what's your name?
I'm Felix the cat. Who are you?
I'm old King Cole, the merry old soul, and not afraid of anything.
Not even lightning?
Not even lightning. Why, I remember one storm when 10,000 bolts of lightning...
Methinks yon royal braggart is unusually windy today.
...sounded in my ears.
Ain't you but me, a royal pain in the neck.
A wild elephant. But was I afraid? Not old King Cole. I'm not afraid of anything.
Get off the air.
What was that?
Look at the ghost!
I don't believe in ghosts.
Neither do we. What sayest we take the wind out of yon windbag? Let's give him the white. Come on, fellers.
Brag, brag, talking, talking, bragging, bragging, always growing, always blowing, yeah, 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 yeah. You talk too much, you talk too much, you never shut up, you talk too much, yeah, 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 yeah. You're talking, 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 talking all the time. You brag too much, you brag too much, you never shut up, you brag too much, yeah, yeah, yeah. You're bragging, 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 bragging all the time.
We'll take the wind out of this windbag. I was surrounded by 1,000 lions, but was I afraid? Not me.
Now we'll see what happens.
Yeah, we'll see if he can take it. Now we'll give you a dose of your own medicine.
But was I afraid? Not old King Gold. Dropping the wildcat, I grabbed my pocket knife and switched at the top. Take it away! Take it away! I'll never do it again! Take it away! I can't stand it! 49 elephants. time we reached the middle of the desert, there were only 3 elephants left. I caught them all 3 at once. Am I afraid? Not me. I'm not afraid of anything. My voice. My arm. Just strangled with my bare hand. Suddenly, sounded in my ears. I saw the wildcat. I dropped my pocket knife and pointed at the leader. He charged toward me, prepared to run through with his tusk. But was I afraid?
Hooray! We win!
Beaten by the might of the fearless King Kong. I'm not afraid of anything. You said it. Well, we show them who's boss around here. We're not afraid of anything. We're not afraid at all. We're not afraid of anything. We're not afraid at all. My boy, for your bravery in protecting your king, I crown thee Prince Felix.
We're not afraid, are we?
Not old King Kong.